Login failed on StockTwits Fix. You're about to share a stock idea or check trending tickers on StockTwits and suddenly, you can't log in. Login failed. Frustrating, right? The good news is, this is usually a small glitch with a quick fix. Let's start with your connection. StockTwits is real-time and data-intensive. If your internet is unstable or slow, the app may block login attempts. Try switching from Wi-Fi to mobile data or toggle airplane mode on and off to reset your connection. Next, check for app updates. Open the App Store or Google Play, search StockTwits, and tap Update if one's available. Older app versions can lose sync with new login systems after security or feature updates. Now, re-enter your login details manually. Many users rely on autofill, but store password can easily become outdated or corrupted. Type your email and password carefully or use forgot password if needed. If login continues to fail, clear your app cache. On Android, go to Settings App StockTwits Storage Clear Cache. On iPhone, uninstall and reinstall the app. It clears temporary files and restores a clean login process. If you're running a VPN, disable it temporarily. StockTwits can reject connections from masked or foreign IP addresses as part of its account protection system. Still stuck? Try logging in from StockTwits CAM on a browser. If it works there, but not in the app, reinstalling will fix it. If both fail, StockTwits servers might be temporarily down, which happens during high traffic periods like earnings season. So next time you see login failed on StockTwits, don't worry. Check your connection, update your app, clear your cache, and type your credentials manually. In most cases, you'll be back posting, chatting, and tracking the markets within minutes.